We are out gathering watercress today, and we want to show you how to find this, how to identify it, and how to bring it home and make something delicious with it. This is the habitat we're going to find watercress in. Flowing water, sometimes in little ponds too. Watercress is in the mustard family, so it has a very distinctive look to it. See all these opposite leaves coming out from the stem? If you're finding this in water, you can be pretty sure you have watercress. It also has a very distinctive flavor. Can you try it and tell us what it tastes like?
It's kind of spicy, almost if you ate mustard family, you know.
You can really tell it's in the mustard family.
Yeah, it's spicy and it has a very distinct mustardy flavor.
When we harvest this, we're just going to get the parts that are up above the water. One of the great things about watercress is that this is a very late and early season green. So we can find it almost into the winter sometimes, definitely late into fall, depending on how cold it gets. And we can find it very early spring. It bounces back before a lot of other plants.
Let's head back and cook this up.